it once again.
Lesson 15 Probability Exercise 15.1 Question number 5. Question number 5. An organization select 2,400 families at random and survey them to determine a relationship between income level and the number of vehicles in your family. So, a organization for 2,400 families, they are conducting survey to determine the relationship between their income level and the number of vehicle. The information gathered is listed in the table. So, monthly income they are given less than 7,000, 7,000 to 10,000, 10,000 to 13,000, 13,000 to 16,000, 16,000 or more. Vehicles per family. So, less than 7,000, 10 families are there. There is no vehicle. 160 family have one vehicle. 25 families have two vehicle and 0 families have above 2 vehicle. So everything they are given 7,000 to 10,000, 0 vehicle have 0 family. 305 families have one vehicle. 27 families have two vehicle and two families have above 2 vehicle. Like that everything they are given up to 16,000 or more. Suppose a family is chosen, find the probability. You have to find out the probability that the family is chosen earning 10,000 to 13,000 per month and owning exactly two vehicle. So 13,000, 10,000 to 13,000 they are given. Here this one is 10,000 to 13,000 per month and owning exactly two vehicle. 10,000 to 13,000. Here they are given exactly two vehicle. So we have to consider exactly two vehicle. Is 0 vehicle, 1 vehicle, 2 vehicle and above 2 vehicle. Here we have to consider exactly two vehicle. So 10,000 to 30,000 exactly two vehicle. How many families having? 29. So mark it. How many families are there? 29 families are there. Next one. Second one, earning rupees 16,000 or more per month and owning exactly one vehicle. Earning rupees 16,000 or more per month. Though 16,000 or more, the last one we have to consider 16,000 or more and owning exactly one vehicle they are given. So second column exactly one vehicle. So 16,000 or more exactly one vehicle. 279 families are there. How many families are there? Exactly one vehicle in this interval 579. Roughly I am writing here. The next one, third one is earning less than 7,000 per month. So salary is less than, monthly income is less than 7,000 per month. The first row less than 7,000 per month and does not own any vehicle. So does not own any vehicle means in that family has no vehicle. No vehicle we have to consider 0. So first column we have to consider. So less than 1,000, 7,000 and does not having vehicle. How many families are there? 10 families are there. Roughly I am writing here. Next one. Earning rupees 13,000 to 16,000 per month. So fourth row and earning rupees 13,000 to 16,000 per month and owning more than two vehicle. So more than two vehicle we have to consider the last column above 2. So 13,000 to 16,000 and above two vehicle is 25. Number of families having more than two vehicle is 25 family. So roughly I am writing here. The next one is owning not more than one vehicle. So they can own not more than one vehicle means we have to consider 0 also and 1 also. So this column everything you have to add. After that this column everything you have to add. Then finally this both we have to add. Because they are giving more than one vehicle, owning not more than. So not more than means 2 above 2 we should not consider. We have to sum up 0 and 1. How many 0 and 1, how many families having 0 vehicle and 1 vehicle. So everything we have to add. The fifth question, now we can solve this. So total number of families they are given. So total number of family. So they are given in the first line itself. The total number of family equal to 2400. The first question, earning rupees 10,000 to 13,000 per month and owning exactly 2 vehicle. So how many families are having exactly 2 vehicle in the interval 29? Therefore, number of family owning exactly 2 vehicle in the interval 10,000 to 13,000. So how many families are there? 29. Already we seen. Therefore, require probability equal to, then denominator you will write total number of families. Here we conduct the survey 2400 family. So total number of families is 2400. From the 2400, number of families have 2 vehicle in the interval is 29. So the fraction is 29 divided by 2400. Numerator and denominator is already it is in the simplified form. So we can consider as it is. The second one is earning rupees 16,000 or more per month and owning exactly 1 vehicle. So how many families already we written? 579. The second one, so number of family owning exactly 1 vehicle in the interval 16,000 or more. How many? 579. Therefore, require probability equal to, the denominator we will write total number of family. So 2400 families they conduct the survey. In that 579 families have 1 vehicle between the interval 16,000 or more. So 579. So already it is in the reduced simplified form. So we can consider as it is. So required probability equal to 579 divided by 2400. The third question is earning less than rupees 7,000 per month and does not own any vehicle. So already we written 10. So total number of family 2400. The required is 10. So the probability is 10 divided by 2400. Now we can write the third one, number of family who does not own any vehicle in the interval less than 7,000. So how many families having no vehicle in the interval 7,000 means 10. Therefore, require probability, the denominator we will write total number of family 2400 and in the numerator we found already 10. So 1010 we can cancel. The answer is 1 divided by 240. The fourth one is earning rupees 13,000 to 16,000 per month and owning more than 2 vehicle. So owning more than 2 vehicle, in the interval already we written 25. Now we can write the fourth one. Number of family owning more than 2 vehicle in the interval rupees 13,000 to 16,000. Already we written 25. Therefore, the required probability Require probability 25 divided by 2400. Denominator we will write total number of family, numerator 25. Already we found. So 25 divided by 2400. It is not in the simplified form. So we can simplify. Both are coming 5 table. So 5 5s are 25. 4 5s are 20. Remainder 4. 8 5s are 40. 0 we can write as it is. Again both coming 5 table. So 1 5s are 5. 9 5s are 45. Remainder 3. Then 6 5s are 30. So the simplified form is 1 divided by 96. The fifth one is owning not more than one vehicle. Already I told you not more than one vehicle means we have to consider 0 also and 1 also. So this both column we have to add. Now we can write the fourth one. Number of families owning not more than one vehicle. Not more than one vehicle, we have to consider 0 vehicle and 1 vehicle both. See, you can see the table. In the 0 vehicle, they are given how many families have 0 vehicle. 10 plus 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1. Next, how many families have 1 vehicle? We can write. You can see the table. 160 plus 305 plus 535 plus 469 plus 579. So all the numbers if you add you will get 2062. Therefore required probability equal the denominator total number of families. Already we know that 2400. In that 2062 families have 0 vehicle and 1 vehicle. So both are not in the simplified form. Now we can simplify 2062 comma 2400. So both are coming 2 table. We can simplify. 1 2s are 0. 0 we can write. 3 2s are 6 and 1 2s are 2. 1 2s are 2. 2 2s are 4. 0 0. So the simplified form is 1031 divided by 1200.